Prepare for security success with the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency's Security Planning Workbook. It's designed for everyone, whether you're a security pro or new to the field. This is Katy Craig in San Diego, California. What's unique about this workbook is its accessibility. You don't need to be a security expert to use it effectively. Whether you're an individual or part of a group tasked with security responsibilities, CISA's workbook can guide you through the process. Here's what you'll find inside. 1. Forming a planning team. Get contact info for your security team, safety team, and key contacts. 2. Risk assessment. Assess threats, vulnerabilities, and risks step by step. 3. Mitigation. Plan how to reduce vulnerabilities. 4. Additional elements. Cover training, exercises, communication, and recovery plans. 5. Finalizing your plan. Bring it all together for a comprehensive plan. 6. Supplemental planning. Explore options for disaster and emergency planning. And finally, 7. Resources. Find support for your planning efforts. Remember, take your time to create a strong security plan that fits your needs. CISA's workbook is here to help you succeed. This is Katy Craig. Stay safe out there.